Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
To introduce you to Vengeance RGB Pro Series memory, our fastest and most mesmerizing addition to our DRAM family. Vengeance RGB Pro has 10 ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module that are diffused for our best-looking DRAM yet. And with IQ software, you can choose from dozens of preset lighting profiles which can be applied across the set or to a single module. Vengeance RGB Pro also synchronizes with other Corsair RGB-enabled products such as CPU coolers, keyboards, and fans with IQ. With its finely tuned performance PCB and carefully screened ICs, we were able to clock Vengeance RGB Pro at 4700 MHz. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro lights up your PC with dynamic RGB lighting while delivering the best in performance and stability. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Specifically this, our brand new ToughRAM RGB RAM kits. Ranging in speeds from 3000 MHz to 3600 MHz, the kits come packaged in groups of 2 DDR4 8GB sticks. The golden finger contact points of the RAM measures in a total of 10 micrometers, leading to increased durability as well as a high wear resistance. The RAM also takes full advantage of its dual-sided aluminium heat spreaders to help assist with heat dissipation during both idle and extreme loads. And of course, it wouldn't be a product from us here at Thermaltake if we didn't have some gorgeous RGB lighting. With 10 ultra-bright LEDs along the top of the memory stick, each LED is easily addressable, allowing anyone to fully customize the coloration and lighting effects of each RAM card. This is all controlled using our very own TT RGB Plus software, allowing you to not only control the colors and lighting, but also be able to sync the RAM with other Thermaltake hardware. If you prefer using other software, the RAM lighting is also able to be controlled through other motherboard software. Basically, all your popular brands. And before you ask, we haven't forgotten you overclockers out there. Our ToughRAM has been tested on multiple motherboards to produce exciting results, and has been confirmed to be XMP 2.0 ready. We'll actually be uploading a separate video soon where we'll be going into more detail regarding test benchmarks for both Intel and AMD setups. Going through thorough integrated circuit testing, each RAM module goes through 2 separate rounds of quality assurance, tested both in the manufacturer's assembly process before being sent to our own testing facilities for a final round of testing. And with a limited lifetime warranty, you can rest easy knowing that in the unlikely event of any defects or manufacturing problems, that you'll receive full, comprehensive local customer service and technical support. So to sum up, our new ToughRAM RGB is something new from us here at Thermaltake. It's something we haven't really tried before, but it's all part of our long-term goal to provide you with the best overall RGB gaming experience. And only now can we add RAM to that list.